welcome to Bethan's Kitchen and Garden. Today I'm in the garden and I'm preparing my parsnip beds, and I thought I would show you how I'm doing it and what I'm using and how it's going. So these 4 crates in a line here are going to be 2 carrot crates and 2 parsnip crates, and they're just at the side of where my big bed is now. So what I've been doing is I've been filling the very bottom with wood chip, because this doesn't have a bottom in it, it's got slats, so I didn't want to waste soil, so I filled it with wood chip. And then it's going to have another layer of this soil over here, which I've been sieving. And this soil here, this is topsoil from where my husband's been digging out what will soon be our patio area here. So we're going to have our table and chairs here with some gravel at the moment. That is the plan. So he's been putting the soil down here, and then I've been sieving that soil up to about halfway in this crate, which I'll show you in a bit when I've sieved it. So the sieved soil then comes to about there, and then the rest is topped up with compost. And this is the compost. This bed is now all ready to go. I would have liked to have put the level of compost up to there, but in the current climate, I've just Anwen is very helpfully putting bubbles on the plants that haven't been sown yet to help them to grow, aren't you, darling? Yeah. So what was I saying? Yeah. So the compost, I don't think I can get any more compost for the time being. But I went through 2 50-litre bags of compost, sieving it, and this is all the remains I had, which I think is pretty good actually for compost. So I thought that was not too bad waste really. I just didn't want them in the parsnip bed in case it made the parsnips fork. So I'm going to get on with sieving a bit more of that topsoil now, and it's quite a nice job, because it's something I can just nip out and do sort of like 5 minutes here and there whenever I get the chance, and it soon sort of gets the job done. So yeah, so I'll go and crack on with doing that, and I'll show you how far I've got in a bit. Days have now passed, but I have got the soil sifted, and I've also done the compost. So both crates are now full, ready to go, and I've made an indent about 10 centimeters apart in both directions, which I will be planting 3 parsnip seeds in each little hole and then covering them over. So I'm really excited to go and get this done. And stick with me and I'll show you what I'm doing. Here's the parsnip seed. It's usually best to do this on a not so windy day, because your parsnips will blow away in your hand. Right. So I'm just going to put 3 there, 3 there, and so on and so forth. This is fresh seed, so it should germinate fine. And that's my parsnips all planted up, which I'm really excited about, because at one point I didn't think I'd get any parsnips in this year. It's a really warm day here today. It's just gone 11:15. I'm going to go and do some homeschooling now with the children, and because it's far too warm to be out doing much today. Hopefully later on, when it gets a bit cooler, I shall carry on with the home allotment. So join me next time to see what's happening with that. All I can say about planting my parsnips is a very lovely job. I'm so excited now. I might have parsnips this year. Yay! Catch you next time. Thank you for watching.